Hello, welcome. So in the previous video, we looked at how to create your course PowerPoint presentation using Canva for those using smartphones. So if you are using your smartphone, of course, the first video is for you. But if you have a laptop, like I do right here now, you can also use your laptop. In fact, it is easier and faster to use your laptop to create your course PowerPoint presentation. Now, the first thing is you can just use your phone or still your laptop to create, just get a template from Canva. Once you create the template, maybe you just put in your topic on the first cover page. You can download it like I did here. So as you can see, remember the file we created, how to start a barbing salon. Now I downloaded that file. Remember, we had to download it. Now I had to move it to my laptop. All right, so I'm going to open it now. It's going to open straight to my PowerPoint. Okay, so as you can see right here, it's already on my PowerPoint, so I can begin to work on it. If I don't like, maybe I made a mistake here, I can decide to make adjustment in 2024. Can you see this now? How to start a barbing salon business in 2024. So the moment you get the template to your laptop, you can start making adjustments, okay, like that. Or if you already have the cover page, the way you want it, go to the next page and then you can start making the adjustment. All right, so you can just do the initial write-up on Canva with your smartphone, download it, go to your laptop and then start working on it. So you can do other things and then just start working on it. All right, like that. So if you are done with this page, go to the next page. To delete, simply click on it and then click on maybe somewhere around the line and then click on delete on your laptop. It will delete immediately. If you mistakenly deleted anything, Ctrl Z will bring it back. Okay, so this is how I actually create my PowerPoint slides. You can do all of that. Now, if you do not like this particular page, you can delete it. How do you delete it? Come down to the list of the pages here at your left. All right, click on the page you want to delete, then go to delete slide. Can you see that? Delete slide. It will delete immediately. If you want to duplicate a particular slide, let's say this is mode 1, I want to duplicate it, right click and then come to duplicate slide. It will duplicate immediately. So we have 2 of them here now. Usually I do that because when I have something I want to continue working on, let's just assume you just want all your pages to be like this. Whatsoever you are writing, let them just be like this. You don't want any other page like this, You can delete all of these ones and just work on these ones. Okay, so all you need to do is keep duplicating them like that. Then another thing I also do is transition. I come to transition the way I want it to display, because if you are going to display it, it depends on what you want. All right, so let's display this right here. Come down to this icon. Can you see this icon here? Slide show. So let's display it. Click on it. All right, so you can begin to click on the right or left movement button or navigation button on your keypad on your laptop. Okay, so let's move to the next. You see, it's just moving straight. Now I don't like it this way, so what I do is I simply include a transition, a unique transition. So I'll click on the first page. Now come here to transitions, click on transitions. I like this one that moves from cover to cover, right? I like this, so just click this. Can you see this now? You can use different ones on cover. Can you see this? Amazing. Whichever one you want. Can you see this? Look at this. Nice. So whichever one you want. Now I like the one that is very swift. Okay, I like something swift. This one is nice, but I prefer this. This is what I use for most of my trainings. Okay, so to do that, simply highlight all of the pages. Okay, highlight all of the pages. You can hold your control button, control, highlight them, 3, 4, 5 to the last page. Then you come to this transition and click on whichever one you want. So it's going to apply on all of them. So let's click on first page now and begin to display. Come back to slide show. Okay, can you see it now? So when I click on the navigation button to move to the right, it moves in a unique way. Can you see it? It moves in a unique way. Very nice. Instead of just moving straight, like that. Okay, so once you are done with all of this, the next thing you need to do is to save your project. It's very simple. So how do you save your project? Control S, you can save everything. Is that how you use Control S? Okay, or you can click on this right here, click on File, and then click on Save. It will save. But if you want to save it as a fresh file, you can click on Save As. All right, I want to believe that you already know how to use a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So you can save this as let's say 2024, so that I want to save it on my my desktop. So click on Save. So this is another way you can actually create your PowerPoint presentation using your laptop. Actually, you just download your file from Canva and then edit it to your taste. All right, so let's close this. All right, so this is what I just saved. All right, so you see 2024, this was the one I downloaded. Okay, like that. Then another way you can also create your PowerPoint presentation slide is to go straight. You can just go straight to PowerPoint. All right, Microsoft PowerPoint, open it. All right, open it, and then you can start creating. But this one takes time. It takes time because there are no templates. You have to start creating afresh. Maybe you now have to create. So let's assume I want to create how to start a barbing salon in 2024. You see this now? I will have to start arranging them. I will move it this way, and then I can start writing here. Did you know that a barbing salon business can make you a millionaire this year? So this is nice, but then you see it will take you time. Canva is better because Canva already has a template. So I want to change this font now. So let me change it to, I prefer to use Times New Roman, and then let me change the right top color to thick black. Good. Yes, so this is it. So to extend, you can just stretch it out so that the right top can come out way. Then another thing is that you need to align it. As you can see, it's centralized. So I want to align it. All you need to do is just Control A. You highlight everything with Control A. Okay, then come here. You see, this was what we were doing with Canva just now. It will align properly. Okay, so the next thing is maybe on this part now you can change the color. So let's change the color of this right up to, let's say, maybe blue, okay, or red, whichever one. So just feel free. All right, so this is how to create your PowerPoint slide, but then it is easier to use Canva. So whether you are using your laptop, I want to make this bold, click on B here, highlight it, Control A to highlight everything and click on B, or Control B will make it bold. Can you see this now? Your slide has already started. All right, so the next thing you need to do, if you want to go to another slide, come here and click on New Slide. Okay, click on New Slide. So it will create another slide for you. Then you keep writing until you finish this entire module. But I will still recommend that you use Canva, whether you are using your laptop or you are using your smartphone. Okay, download a template from Canva. You can just change the cover page, put in the title of your course, and then bring it down to your laptop, and then you can continue working on it. Canva has very nice templates. There are also templates here. There are also templates you can work with. These are designs. Okay, so look at, these are templates, various templates you can work with. You see, it keeps changing, but these templates here are not very nice. See, they are not very nice. They are not very nice as much as the ones you have on Canva. There are many here actually that you can work with. There are so many that you can work with. Can you see all of them right here? So you can select whichever one, but look at, these are just these templates are not very fine. See, they are not very fine. So I encourage you, please use the templates on Canva. The templates on Canva are very nice. All right, so this is how to actually create your slides using your laptop. All right, I'll see you in the next video.